Waiting by the light. Shh, shh, shh. Close your eyes.